Good morning. 11th through 14th. All right. Good morning. Good morning. I might take the text off of here because... Okay. That's better. All right. I'm going to have to look at this later. 7 minutes till the market opens. There was a report at 9:15. I don't know. Hi, Justin. How are you? Hope there's not a lot of snow today. It's like there's snow every day. At least during this time of year. I just got some cool news, so I'm going to have to look more into it after this call. I want to, I just naturally tuck my feet under, sit Indian style or whatever, but obviously I can't do that with my broken ankle, and it's so frustrating. All right, lots of stuff happening overnight, and then we had the jobless claims at 8:30. I have YM off to the side on the scalper. I have NQ Santa off to the side. I need to put the picture of Santa on this chart because Santa. I had to do a whole reset yesterday because NinjaTrader went crazy. All right, slows it along. We're in the middle of the chop zone. Let's get on. Well, actually, I'm going to wait to get on TikTok. I actually got up and organized pretty early today, so I have everything ready to go. If you guys have questions, let me know. NQ was 1-for-1 yesterday, per usual. ES had a little bit of a hard day yesterday. It was 2-for-3. YM was 1-for-2. Yeah, the first one was a loss. The second one was a win, so that was cool. Overall on the week with range, still green. Just kind of annoying yesterday. All right. I wonder, you know how you never know? See all trips. Oh, here, I can put this slow over here since it's in this trade. This is green, $1,100 from overnight. It got chopped up a bit during the 8:30 report, which makes sense. We always kind of keep an eye out there. But I have this in simulation, so I would just let it run the whole time. But if I was running this real, then I would have turned it off. I probably would have turned it off last night. It made $700 in the first 2 trades. I know a few of the people in the group did that, so good for them. This. Details. I'm going to go see my doctor today about my broken ankle. Well, it could just keep it the same and then just chill on Monday, or change it. I want to know. Well, I think it was with points anyway. We had a good student call this morning. Have a nice discussion about our options. Again, we always talk about both scenarios. So a scenario for the long to play out and a scenario for the short to play out. And then, we just wait to see what the market's going to give us. and kind of go from there. I have pink off to the side. I have, and that's kind of in a downtrend right now, but it's not in a trade. All right, market's going to open in 2 minutes. What do one of my friends say? It's 9:29, almost. Kind of boring. Yeah, 9:29. 1 minute till the market opens. Volatility is still pretty high from last Friday with the bankrupt bank. Gold is flagging for a short, but gold has been all over the place. It did really well yesterday and the day before. The Tuesday was red. Today is red. I need to call someone about my deck because there's like a few soft spots. Sorry, I was sending a voice message, but I do need to call someone about my deck. I probably need to just get a whole new deck. How much is a whole new deck? I don't even know. Obviously, it depends on, like, the options. I guess if you're getting wood versus... Is wood still really high? Remember when lumber was, like, super expensive? I guess if you're doing wood versus, like, that fake wood or... What is it called? Pyrex? Tyrex? Shirex? I don't know. Whatever that thing is. Samesies. My friend was saying that she just had a plumber leaving her house and then now she has to call an electrician. Alright, slow had a loss there. Slow. Nothing's in a trade right now. It's 9:31. I'm going to get on TikTok in a second. Still in the middle of this chop zone. Really nothing to do here. Never force it on a Thursday. Oh, Jesus. That kind of scared the shit. I put my phone down to move my keyboard, and then my phone just started making all that noise. But it was a TikTok that just came up. Thursdays are a day that I don't force anything when manually trading. I don't know, it's just something from my experience that I'm like, nope. I'm not gonna force it. Alright. I'm getting on TikTok. Maybe Jenna can share this. Let's see if we get our move down here. So again, we talked about both directions. We'll see which one we get. I have the hiccups per usual. Also, I need to go by the bank today. Oh, there's so many things. So many things. Just doing stuff with a broken ankle is so much harder. Like, it just takes me so much longer to do everything. 12 by 15s were 6K last year for mine. Oh, so you did a 12 by 15 deck and it was $6,000 last year? Is that when lumber was still really high? Hi, good morning. This is the NASDAQ right here. Yeah, I don't even know who to call. Like, I had this guy that I used to use for a lot of stuff, but he is so bad at getting back to you in a timely manner, and I can't stand that. So I'm just going to probably look someone up. Oh, Trex. Yeah, so, or that. I guess I'll get it quoted for Trex or wood. I currently have like a wood deck, but I don't know. I guess I'll get them both priced and see what happens. Let's see if we move out here. Can you no. It's 12,329. Nothing's delayed on TikTok, so this is live. Pink has been not in a short, but showing short for a while. Slow keeps trying to take a long. Not working. Santa hasn't taken any trades yet. Slow's in a long. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen, give a thumbs up on YouTube. I go live every day. See how Slow keeps trying to take this long? If it loses, it's a $200 loss. It's not horrible, but this was green, $1,100 overnight with 1 mini. Thanks, Jen. I appreciate you. Remember, the Apex sale ends on Tuesday. So if you're looking to use Apex, with your own manual trading or with my mentorship manually trading or with the algorithm, you can buy as many as 20 Apex accounts at a time. And you don't have to use them all right away. Like, I have a few people that will buy 5 and they'll use 1. And then if, like, in a few weeks that one goes bust, or then that one gets to a live account and then that person is, like, slowly building up the live account, then he'll, sorry, you guys can't see this. And then he'll start using one of the other accounts he bought. So, like, you can get them all at a discount right now. So, $36 for a $50,000 account. Composite or Trex is about the same price now and less maintenance and lasts a long time. Yeah, I'll probably look into that. So maybe I should just Google. And then you don't have to worry about splinters. I remember splinters used to be such a fear of mine as a child. It was kind of insane. All right, where are we at? So pink still has the downtrend here. But we're still in the chop zone. Remember, the chop zone is given to my members, my students, every single morning. It's a very, very reliable area. This is the LAS that's also given to my members every day. Hi, Carlos. How are you? So, so the Apex sale ends on Tuesday. If you guys have questions, let me know. When we're in a trade, I'll move it to the front, but I'm not in a trade right now. Thanks for the gift, Florida Graham. Little lightning bolt. That's so cute. Hi, Captain Dad. How are you? Anyway, it's Thursday. It's going to be 60 and sunny today, so I like that, even though, I like it. Because it's been, like, really cold and windy the past few days. And I don't like that, for sure. I got my hot tea. The morning call was really good with the students. We have a pretty straightforward plan. So we always have a plan for the long and a plan for the short. Hi, Mark. Thanks for popping in. Oh, Mark, if you do a summary post, I can pin it. No. Number one, I'm not selling anything. I lease my algorithm. They're not indicators. It's a fully automated robot that I built. And I have several of them, but I'm just on the stream just to show you them. If you want more information, you can always email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. But I go live every day just showing you essentially how they work, how they're doing, what they look like. I never really show range because range doesn't trade until later, but range is the most conservative. NQ is 95.5% over the last 15 months, and ES is around 84% over the last 15 months. No, so just like do one of your regular posts, Mark, where you're like explaining stuff about the algorithm, and then I can pin it so then it never moves out of sight. So like how you'll be like, oh, the algo does this or whatever, but I can only pin one comment. So the one that you're making, just kind of have it include as much as you can, I guess. Hi, Lewis. How are you? But anyway, so, yeah, we're not in any trades right now. Oh, we're in a long. We're in a long of fast. Green, you can see, so see how the stop loss moved itself? Green, $230. This is a trailing stop and this is a hard stop. So you'll notice that the trailing stop will start to follow the trade up as it continues to move and create new candles. Do you see how these are moving on their own, these little green lines? So, and then it just took profit there with the offset. Hi, Jeffter Rubin. Hi, how are you? Santa hasn't taken any trades yet. YM hasn't taken any trades yet. Gold took a bunch of trades overnight and is red a few $100s. It was green Monday and Wednesday, but it was red on Tuesday and it's red today. So again, still in the chop zone. Is VPS needed for a PC, aka Windows, or is additional safety? It's an additional safety measure. VPS is not required unless you only have a Mac computer, but it's highly recommended because it has, number one, it has really great internet connection with NinjaTrader, because sometimes NinjaTrader can be really picky with regular residential Wi-Fi. Oh, where is it? No, well, I could pin that mark, but I was thinking something more along the lines about the Algo. With the bot, do I need to have the computer on at all times? No. Again, that's another part of the VPS. If you have a VPS, you can have the computer shut down, you can have it turned off, because the VPS is a server that is not through your computer. You access it through your computer or through your cell phone or through your iPad. No, I do not trade crypto. I hate crypto. I only trade futures. Futures. Oh, who's Crystal? Oh, is that Jen? It's Jen. Well, see, now I'm going to pin this because that makes more sense. No, futures. It is going to be hard to say Crystal. Jen just posted that. Oh, y'all, we're in a long here. I didn't even notice. This is that one that we just had where it made $75. Now it's in another long. This is slow. On Scalper, this is... What's the link so I may download the software? Nope, it's not software. That's not how it goes, Joseph. If you want more information, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. The way it works is this is a desktop platform called NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is not... I have no affiliation with NinjaTrader other than being a vendor for them, but I do not, it's a whole company. It's an entire trading company and a trading platform that's been around for more than 20 years. So if you want more information on this is my algorithm. I own this and I lease it out. The platform itself is NinjaTrader. Or if you don't want to use your own cash and have a cash account, you could use Apex, which is a fully funded company that they'll give you funded accounts. I'll put them up here. They're doing a sale, an 80% sale through Tuesday. It's Apex Trader Funding. You have to pass an evaluation, but it's really pretty easy. Most of the people in my group do the $50,000 plan, which is this. So you have to make... And you don't have to pay for the NinjaTrader license. You don't have to pay for market data. They cover all of that. But you have to profit $3,000 and not lose $2,500, and then you get a fully funded $50,000 account. Oh, there you are. I guess that's a different one, Jen. I pinned that. So yeah. Or you could just use a regular cash account. That is fine too. But again, this is on NinjaTrader, which is a desktop platform. You have to have a PC to run it on. If you don't have a PC, you could get a VPS connection, and then the VPS would allow you, like, that's a PC. So you could run it on your Mac through the VPS. Yeah, it's okay, because I was like, well, what's this? Yep, Captain Dead, sure thing. Please give a thumbs up or tap that screen. Gold is in a short. My gold is not in a short. My gold is not in a short. Santa's in a long. What? Oh, I might be in that. Yes, I am in the long for Santa. Let me put that in the front. Let me. It's pulling back. It might get stopped. Oh no, it's only like red $50. Santa is in a long. What charting tool or broker are you using? Again, this is NinjaTrader. Today I gained PA account 3,000 target. Nice job, Billo. So with those rules from Apex, has it ever lost to 2,500? Yeah, I'm sure it has, Christopher. But that's why you, as the trader, need to be a little careful and just aware of what the risks are when you're trading. So, like on something like this, the risk is $200. That's not going to affect your evaluation account. But if it's something with a bigger stop loss, then you need to just size down and go to micros instead of minis. That's how you avoid that. I was finna say not again. Rome, I think you're good. All right, it hit the offset, so $75 for Santa on that first trade. I forgot I haven't ran like Ryan side by side to get the comparison. I wonder if I should pin that. I can only pin one thing. I'm going to pin that, Jen. Yeah, but Apex is a great option because you're putting up $36. So, Christopher, even if you lost that account, you're losing $36. You know, is that really going to be detrimental? Probably not. You know what I mean? Jelly bean? Oh, whenever I play with this pop-it socket thing from my phone, I always drop it. Like, and it goes like behind my computer. So yeah, so again, now the normal price is $167. Like that would be a little more upsetting. But right now, through Tuesday, they have the 80% sale. You have to use code SAVE80. Yeah, sure thing. Sure thing. Please tap that screen, Christopher. That's all I ask. Tap, 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 tap. Pop it. The algorithm comes with how much contracts. No, yeah. So you control if you're trading a mini or a micro. That's totally up to you and your account size. And then you control how many contracts you're trading. So the default is 1, but you could do, 3, 5, 10, 20. But yeah, Jen is exactly correct. It's all based on your risk and your management. Brian just said COVID is over, Biden said so. What is happening? Speaking of, my throat kind of hurts. Only the left side of my throat. Yep, I post every night. But again, it's never about sizing. Sizing is always going to be your choice because you should never copy my sizing just because. You know what I'm saying? Everyone has different account size. Everyone has different risk tolerances. So you want to be... yeah, someone in the group was joking about someone else being sick. Oh, no. Listen, I'm not taking any more tests. I don't even care anymore. Anytime I've been sick and I thought it was COVID, I've taken so many tests and it always says negative, negative, negative. So it doesn't even matter. Yeah, and but at this point, what is it like? I got vaccinated. It's just another cold, and I literally go nowhere. The only place I'm going today is to the doctor's office for my broken ankle, and I'm going to have to wear a mask anyway. I hope you feel better. Fire. Yeah, I've never felt like horrible. I have heard a lot of people feel really, really crappy. Anytime I've felt like, oh, maybe I should test myself, I just have like a headache and a cough or a sore throat or whatever. Oh. Nice. YM hasn't taken any trades. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm not testing myself that many times. I don't care that much. Yeah, I trade one contract, so then when I tell you how much something makes or loses, it's easy for you to understand the risk or the profit. I could obviously trade more. On some setups, I'll trade two, but not the ones that are on the live stream. Yeah, Sleepy Bear. Everyone has to. You can't change your stop loss. No, I don't. Fire, are you confused? I don't trade stocks. Speaking of, though, I was going to freaking put those on zones, and I forgot today. Again. I only trade futures. Futures, futures, futures. No crypto, no forex. That's the entire point. You can't change a stop loss because that's how we've gotten our exact settings and win rates and, analysis of that strategy. But you can manage your sizing. So, if the stop loss is $200, one micro would be $20. A micro is always going to be a tenth of the size. Yes, exactly, Christopher. Uh-huh. Oh, speaking of YM's in a long. My chart trader is not on it. This is the first trade on YM. YM's in a long. So is Santa. Just asking because with 2 losses, you blow the account with 1 mini. Right. So if you did 1 micro, then it would be a tenth of the size of that loss. That's exactly why. And what is that based off of? NQ? That's the only one that has a large stop loss. $300,000 count? Nah, don't think so. But again, there's never been 2 losses in a row on NQ. It typically has 1 loss the entire month. Like it went 29 for 29 from January 15th until last week. It went 29 for 29. So that's any time within there you would have passed the evaluation account, and then you need to slowly build the cushion. There's no PDT. High unpredictable. Santa is green. Also, a lot of people will utilize Santa in these situations for their accounts, for their evaluation accounts, because the stop loss is so small. So the stop loss is $200, and you can, move up your stop loss as the trade is moving. I don't need this. I use regular candles. This is the second trade for NQ Santa. So a little more calm today. It's 9:50. This is only the second trade. Some days are a lot more wild. Couple more days. Green 110 here on this long for Santa. When it goes to 200, it will move the stop loss into the green. Yay, Michael made $700 overnight. Oh, George, I didn't give you some props before. George made some money on gold and oil last night, $640. Nice job, George. Hi, welcome. We're in a $300 long of the NASDAQ. If you want more information on the algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Dana said, I'm a contractor. I need that shirt. I think he just found it on the internet. Okay, Zach, I'm not going to tell you all my charts. If you want to be part of the group, then you can come be part of the group. But I'm not going to tell you all of the details of the algorithm and the chart and the time frame on a free stream. No, thank you. I'm here to show you the algorithm, not to have you try to replicate the trades or whatever it might be. So guaranteed green on this Santa trade. Again, this is only the second trade on Santa so far. Green 75 before this, and then this is trying to move a bit higher. Where did my gold go? There it is. All right, Santa took profit, so it's 150, 2 for 2 on the day. There's no TV. In bot, could we set a training to? What? 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 What is happening? We're in another long of Santa. What is happening? 150. Yeah, I thought I pinned it before. Did you unpin the message from Jen, Carter? I'm going to repin it. Here we go. I'm pinning Jen's comment. There you go. It's at the top. Green 300 here. Also slow is in this long as well. So, but Santa got in it first. So green 300 on this Santa long. Again, if you want more info, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It said something about you and pinning. Now it went away again. Yeah. It's $500 for the first 21 days, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. So again, this is one mini right now. It's green, $550 on the day. If you wanted to exit right here and be like, I'm done for the day, and it just started 15 minutes ago. So, for example, now could the bot set a profit stop loss? This is a trail stop right here. This is a trail stop, and this is a hard stop. You could take this purple hard stop and move it up if you wanted to, like right behind the price. You can't put a target because a target will mess up with the algorithm. Like it will mess with everything else. Levinsky, I know, get it going. Again, you could do the $36 at whatever it's called, Apex, if you wanted to in the meantime. You could have set it up last night and just, played around with that, but I totally understand if you're waiting. Jared said he's screaming at the live stream, just fucking sign up. Look, Just fucking sign out. Jared, just put that in the chat. I love you so much. $550 here. Yeah. Well, Levinsky already signed up, but he's waiting for his funded account with NinjaTrader to activate. Who is posting in the chat? No, Patrick. No. What? Patrick, what is going on? All right, still moving up here. Again, this is why you don't want to exit a trade early. You just want to let it do its thing. There's no reason to be like, oh, let me take profit for $200. Let it do its thing. The algorithm knows what it's doing. Now it's green, $600. Yesterday we were in a trade like this, was like $1,100. What you talking about? Sign up. This is not a pair. I don't trade forex. I trade futures. This is /NQ. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market on NinjaTrader using my auto trading algorithm. Hands-free trading. Blah, blah, blah. I should just set up something. Yes. Santa is almost $700 here. $695, there we go, $700 on this one trade with one contract. So it's right here, one long. The green means I'm long. The one means I have one mini contract. This one contract cost me $1,000. I have to have $1,000 in my account to take this trade. And right now I'm up 750% on that one contract. Pink is long. Oh, very good. Sure thing. Yeah, and I'm using NinjaTrader. It's down here at the bottom. So do you access to Santa when you sign up? You do not get access to this until 1 week after sign up because it's a much more complicated algorithm compared to range. You get access to range when you first start. Range is amazing, but it's much more conservative. It only takes about 1 to 2 trades per day. But over the last 15 months, NQ range is 95.5% profitable and ES range is 84% profitable. So it's not a bad gig. Ranges are old faithful. Scalper is good when the market is crazy like it's been since Friday. So we're just kind of utilizing what's working for us. We're green $800 on this one trade now. Again, we already locked up $150 before this trade. So we're almost at $1,000 with 3 trades. And this started 20 minutes ago. $900, $980, $1,000. Did you see that spike? Did you see that spike? Again, if you want more information on the algorithms, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. What just hit target? Zones? Yeah. When you call percentage profitable, are you referring to the percentage of the trades that are profitable? Yes. Out of all of the trades over the last 15 months, 95.5% of them were winners. That's what I'm saying. I don't trade stocks. I trade futures only. Please tap the screen and show your support. I don't know why I said translate. Pin comment. So again, this will take profit on its own when this other trailing line turns red. If it goes back up, then obviously it will continue following it back up. You can take this stop loss yourself and move it up wherever you want it, like this, but I typically don't do that. And you can see we're getting another flag on the upside here. Nice job. Larome hit for $800. And with the education from the mentorship, you could easily be like, oh, we were coming up to a level here, I might want to take profit, and so then you could close the trade yourself, or you could take the stop loss again and move it up even more. So Larome in the group is now up $950 on the day after 3 trades. Good for him. All right, took profit there. So I am now green $600 on these 3 trades. Obviously, I could have locked up more, but, you know, I was letting the algo do its thing. I'll put now that this trade is over, I'll show you the NQ. The drawdown was $5,000, $45,000 in profit. Here you go. Binaj, who used to be in the group and wants to act like he knows everything in the group. Actually, it was an $8,000 drawdown. Oh, no, this is the wrong one. This is the one we did before. All right, I'm going to have to... Why do I not have the right one in here? Well, regardless, that's the one with 2 minis. The one with 1 mini is 95.5%. And I wonder if Amy has it. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, I'll show you if she has it here. That's the same one. So we did an update a few months ago where we just changed it to 1 target. So 2 targets is 89% on the past 15 months. 1 target is 95.5%. So that's the difference. And then you have less of a drawdown because you're only taking 1 contract instead of 2 contracts. Santa started a new long here, but it might have a loss. And remember, the losses are $200 here. So that 600 is still now 400. Where's gold? Here it is. Okay. And we're still in the middle of the chop zone. It's funny, a lot of people on YouTube are always people that just come and creep. They're never actually like wanting to ask questions or interact. Can your bot monitor or trade 5 different futures at the same time? Yes. I am currently trading 5 different futures at the same time. I'm currently trading YM, NQ, GC, CL, ES. I don't have R2Y on today. Sometimes we also run platinum, silver. But yes, yeah, so you can run as many as your account will allow. Patrick, why are you posting this in the student corner? Okay, cool. This is not MT4. This is NinjaTrader. It's right here at the bottom of the screen. All right. It's 10:08. We're still in the middle of the chop zone. No, I have not tested it for crypto because I hate crypto. But one of my members, he asked me about this last weekend, and he was going to do that. So he can do that if he wants. I'm not going to because I hate crypto. Slow is in a short. Santa is also in a short. Yeah, Shane, I would say that. But in the afternoon, we typically have longer trades, like ones that can take, not, they don't always take longer, but they can. And also, Binoj, I'll have you know that ES range and YM range, the risk to reward ratio is 2 to 1. So that's a little different from what you remember. I don't even think there was ES or YM range when you were around before. We have ES, RTY, YM, CL, all on range now. And CL kills it. All right, so we're in the short green $200 on slow. And it took the offset there for $75. So did Santa. Oh, now it's in a long. So we'll just bring it back. Slows in a long. Bop, 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 bop. Again, we're in the middle of the chop zone, so I would never manually trade here, but I'll let the algorithm do its thing because it typically knows better than me anyway. Do most members run the bot all day or just the first 2 hours? No, they mostly run it all day. I had this on last night, and it made $700 from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. last night, and it only took 2 trades. One trade was like $200, and then the other trade was like 5 something. All right, $500 on this long, $600 on this long. You know what I just realized? This one has the second one. Do you see where we are? We're going right back to this consolidation area that we were overnight. Hold on, I want to highlight this. I talked about this on the student call this morning. Well, we came back in here and then we kind of came back out, but slow is still moving up on this long. Santa's not in this. After this trade, I might get off of here. Not a lot of people ask how many trades does it usually take? It depends on the strategy. So, like, this is called slow. This morning it's taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Santa's only taken 4 trades so far. Green, $970, $1,000 on this long. But it just depends. And then, obviously, you can turn it off at any time if you wanted to, but this doesn't run very long. I don't trade stocks. These are futures on the futures market. This is the NASDAQ. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30, so if you're new here, please follow me because I will be on again tomorrow. And then you can get notified. Yes, except. But you know, if you're a genius, it might work out. It's 10:13. Still in this long, in slow. Green, $1,000. I need to do some stretching. Email her is what Jen meant. boldbotllc@gmail.com. You need a soundboard to answer the same questions over and over. Michael, I agree. I need to just have a recording and then I push the answer. All right, this is going to exit here. Oh, Santa's in a short. Uh-oh, we'll see which one's going to win here. Because slow is still in a long. This is why you can't run the same product on the same account with two different strategies. Because for this exact reason, you would be in a short of Santa and a long of slow. So you either need multiple accounts to do that, or you can do one on micros, one on minis, or you could do one on Apex, one on cash. Remember, Apex, their sale is ending on Tuesday. Apex Trader Funding, you could get a $50,000 account for $36, and then use the algorithm to pass the evaluation. Oh, this one's still in this long. All right, Santa took profit there. It hit the offset for $75. This is still in the long, slow. So Santa is back being green to $600. I was trying to show you Apex for a second. So Apex, their sale ends on Tuesday. I think it's like at 10 p.m. or midnight, something like that. Apex Trader Funding. So Ninja round trip for one mini is about $5. Much cheaper than TD Ameritrade or E-Trade. So I like them. Really, any futures broker is going to be better than a non-futures broker. Sure thing. All right. This took profit there. Slow took profit. All right, I'm probably going to wrap this up. But, yeah. So check out Apex. Again, it's $36, and you can have up to 20 accounts, and you can run all of them on the bot at the same time if you wanted to. I have members that currently do that. So the recommended capital to start with is at least $2,000, but most people start with $3,000 to $10,000. Right, correct, AJD. Not in the same account. But you could have like a long on micros and a short on minis of the same product, or you could do it on two separate accounts, like one on a cash account and one on an Apex account. Yeah, well, you can do that, but yesterday one ran to $1,770. So what are you going to say then, Shark? I'll show you one of the trades from... This was yesterday, $1,535 on this one long. So if you would have taken $800, you're cutting yourself off from another 100% profit there. But I know what you're saying. Like, it seems that way, but when the market wants to go, it's going to give you some really big moves, and you're not going to want to cut those short. This was the trade 2 days ago. $1,770. Yes, I'm trading the NASDAQ. So in this case, if you took $800, then you're leaving $1,000 on the table. Regardless, the consistency is there because you're making money, but why cap your gains? For sure. Does NinjaTrader give you 50% margin? You deposit $2K? No, there's no margin as far as the way that you're used to it with stock margin. That's not a thing in futures. You already get margin by getting a discount on the price of the product. So like one mini of the NASDAQ is $1,000, but the real price of one mini is like, the real price is like $100,000. But like on TD Ameritrade, one mini is $18,000, $15,000. So instead of having to have $15,000 in cash, you only have to have $1,000 in cash. That's the discount that a futures broker gives you. That's the margin. And it's for all 23 hours. So they don't double the cash in your account. They are simply giving you a discount on the product itself. All right, I'm probably going to head off of here. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'm going to go hang out with my members. Sure thing, Steve. Does it want to reach a target or always slow TB by sell some? I could answer that in the group, except I have some algorithms that go to target, like they have a set target, and I have some that just have a trail. And on something as volatile as this. Oh no. All right, so I'm going to get off here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Yes. Yes, Ramiro, you can. You can do both at the same exact time. You would connect your TradeAvate account in NinjaTrader and you connect your Apex account in NinjaTrader, and then you could trade both at the same time. All right, have a good day. Email me with more questions, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Bye.